Wanting people. Oh god, it's been like a year since I've like seen this. But anyways, as you can see from the title of the video, your girl is going to JA tomorrow, 24th. Today is the 23rd, and I just wanted to like do like a little getting prepared for Jamaica vlog, you know, carry you guys around. I have to finish packing. I gotta do my eyebrows, get my nails and my feet them done. So I figured I would like take you guys with me so you guys can see that. I will not be posting vlogs as I'm in Jamaica. When I come back up, you guys will see all of the vlogs. The reason being is like, first of all, I don't want to bring my laptop down there, and then secondly, in country the internet connection sucks, and it'll probably like take forever to like upload one vlog. So I'd rather just do that when I come back up. This vlog will be up tonight. Yeah, I'll try to get that up for you guys. I will be posting snaps while I'm down there, so if you want to see what I'm doing as I'm in Jamaica at that current time, please follow me on my Snapchat. I'll leave that on the screen somewhere. I don't know, wherever. But yes, so right now I'm about to what am I gonna do? Clean up my room, finish packing, get everything together, and then when I go out later on the road and go do my errands, I'll take you guys with me. Took a break, so I'm about to eat some mackerel and fried dumpling. Why you gonna put rice in the freezer?
Yes, it's not so good.
Why would someone put rice in freezer and do what?
So then save it. I'm when they do, then put it back in the pot like I'm like it over tower and warm it back.
I first thing I hear that.
Yeah, Lama can do it too.
You put the rice in the freezer,
yeah,
and you put it back on the stove and I microwave.
Rice put it on the stove. Come and say if you're not tired, water and you know, so you put it back on the stove and cover and turn down low. And it had up. So then say they put food in the freezer.
I wouldn't do that. I don't advise anyone else to do that.
What? Put rice in the freezer?
Yeah, that sounds disgusting. Put rice in the freezer and tobacco. No, just cook some fresh rice. Oh, sorry, guys. I don't like to eat like stale food. We like fresh food every day. I can go 2 days with eating the same food. After that, anyways, my grandmother woke up. I make some fried dumpling and mackerel, so I'm about to eat this and go back to doing what I was doing. Guys, let me give you a joke. So right now I'm here like getting my stuff together, packing everything, and my grandmother have some suitcase and then well packed, way over 50 pounds. So yesterday when I was at the store, I buy this little luggage scale. I don't even know if it's like good or not, but when I try to lift up a suitcase with one hand, and like this shit was like between 60 and 65 pounds. So you know, so stuff have become. No, I'm talking to the vlog. If people them, yeah.
So what do you?
I didn't do it yet. When I'm done pack, I'll weigh them or whatever. Believe me, my suitcase I'm not gonna be overweight. But yeah. Yeah, she have to go take out and put somewhere. I leave back some sitting. Last trip, she overweight. I bring those sitting for people and I see him thing again. She can't help it. What? Well, I think good luck. Alright. Alright, so guys, I just finished pack my 2 suitcases. Well, the 3 of them I carry on, and the 2 50-pound. One of my 50-pound was like right at 50, and then the next one was like between 50 and 55. But then again, my scale could be like very inaccurate, and it's probably like way off. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do, and I still have to buy my weave, my hair, because I'm gonna braid my hair to come back up, and I still have to put gel in there to keep this hair like this in Jamaica maintained. But yeah, I don't know. When we go to the airport, we'll figure it out. Whatever, just get left and I'll buy gel in Jamaica. But I don't even know like where I'm gonna be able to get like eco styler gel down there. And I'm going down on Christmas, you know, and I need my hair to like stay fresh or whatnot. But yeah, so now me and my grandmother, we're about to go on the road. I gotta stop at the bank, pick up the gel. We're gonna go get our nails and our feet done, and then yeah, I gotta get my eyebrows done. I gotta wipe these off though. We went out to dinner last night, me and my grandmother and my aunt, and like I came in and I went to sleep, and like I woke up with it like this, and I didn't even wash it off because I was like why would I wash it off and I have to go put back on more? I know it's like kind of nasty, but I know I'm not the only one to like sleep with on makeup for like 24 hours or whatnot. But yeah, about to wipe these eyebrows off, get them threaded and stuff. So yeah, you guys are gonna see me out on the road. Car waiting on my grandmother. She always take forever and she always rushing me, but look, I come out here and I'm waiting on her. Yeah, but guys, I'm here looking. I just took off my eyebrows, and you know eyebrows make people like, it make a look, it make face, like everything. Cause like, look, I ain't just my natural brows and like my whole face just look, ugh. Eyebrow them, it make people. But yes, I don't even know what to talk about. I'm about to go to the bank. I feel like I keep repeating the same stuff over and over, but yes, I'm going to the bank now. Outside not really that cold. If you guys don't know, I live in New York State, and like honestly, it haven't even like snowed hard yet. I mean, I'm not complaining, but I just hope like when April come, like it's not snowing or whatnot, because you know this weather is like very bipolar, honestly. But it's kind of sad though. Like Christmas is what, Tuesday, and no snow now fall. My God. Yeah. Just got my eyebrows them threaded. I know they look good. They're on fleek. But this one, she cut it too short. Because this one nice and long. And then this one, like... It don't matter. I'm going to draw them on anyways. I'll fill them in and stuff. So we're on our way to the nail shop. No. Alright, we just came back from the nail shop and I spent a lot of money when you think about it to Jamaican currency. I spent $98. Cost $100. So much that $12 Jamaica. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Sorry guys. I have to find lotion for her because she don't want to put her hands in here. I messed it up. Can I finish vlogging first before I'm gonna find the lotion? And then I got my toes them done. Gel pedicure. My feet ugly, don't mind them, but yeah, yellow, pop up color. And my nails, I'm gonna do white and gold. For your new year, yes. I don't know, they look good. You wanna show them your nails? The people them. Wait, Yafi? Okay, look. She do red and gold glitter. Yeah, they look nice. They fit her. Yeah, they look good. Yes. All right, so I'm about to go to Ulta and Five Below right now, and then go home and sing. All right, this is my
I like the one.
Which one?
This? They look expensive.
At $53 plus me $45, so $98. Let me see yours.
Mine's just regular gel polish with look.
I thought you was doing tip.
No, I don't want no tip.
Oh, so add to the vlog.
I can't cure them.
Oh. Stop kissing teeth, guys. She going to Jamaica too, so you guys gonna see her in the vlog. Them.
I'm just a regular person. I just like regular stuff, but look cute. Okay, I'm not with the too much. Cause I wash my hands a lot.
Yeah, and she's going to Jamaica to go work, so yeah.
Yeah, I'm on a mission.
Alright, they don't want to keep staring at our damn nails. We're on our way to the hair store to go buy some hair for Gayard. So, yeah.
Movie so fun, Sunny.
Road again in a clothing store, Burlington, and she wants me to look picnic clothes. Even though her suitcase already overweight and she still want to buy more if we come pack you up. So, Granny, you prepared for pay overweight tomorrow? If you don't take out back? But even if you take out and put in other stuff, you still have to go pay overweight fees. And right now you can't even buy nothing for Jamaican people because in store now it'll be a long sleeve and tall pants. No short sleeves. I don't know what she expect to find in here. I'm not gonna get no sleep tonight, I swear. As I go home, I gotta pack up my makeup. And then we have to go fry chicken wing for bring to the airport with us. No, I don't see anything. If I did, I would have showed you. I can't bother. I can't. We here with my aunt. She over there looking stuff for her people them. And I'm over here trying to help my grandmother because she can't help herself. No little blue jeans. What size you looking for? Size 6 or 5? 5. Look, there's really nothing in here. Granny, look, I wear sweatpants. You hear me? I wear sweatpants. Thank God. I don't like department store at all, like them here. But me and my auntie if you find something for her, and she wants it for people. Yes. Me ready, you know. Come and I like that story, yeah. Yes. You ain't find nothing yet? Size 7. Guys, I'm gonna talk to you guys real quick. We stress, not we. How many nobody at Jamaica? This family stress. No, my grandmother stressed me by sitting for everybody. And when they go down and everybody get one outfit, them not grateful for or them find fault. And they still want money. Talk.
And she doesn't go stress out herself. When she got store, she stressed me. For stress people when they like me.
Yeah.
Who needs one Spider-Man?
Oh, this probably zoom up on me now.
It is?
Okay, we're in Five Below now.
Yes.
It's like almost 12 o'clock. I came to get a damn tripod for my phone, charger, our phone case.
Yeah.
Because, you know, you have to keep this stuff up to when you go to Jamaica.
Yes.
And I'm about to go to Walmart to go
I
get
am
some
so stressed
bug
out.
spray.
Oh, God. When you heard the word Jamaica, Jesus Christ, it's been stressing me out. Like, I've been shopping, like, for a year now, and I still can't stop because every time people call, they'll be like, can you bring this for me? Can you bring this for me? And, you know, the fucked up part, when you go down there, either don't satisfy, look better than you, or want money in their pocket to go with that juice that you buy. Tell me if that's right.
Ain't no right.
They get on my nerves. That's weird.
Alright, we gotta cash out now and got Walmart, get my bug spray, and go home. I can't even sleep tonight. I'm mad. Which part the line there? Oh. Granny, you still want your almond joy? You still want your almond joy? Alright.
Sign as appropriate to our
Beer
rides or
luggage problem.
so please
Beer over
remain seated. Seatbelts are fastening. The seatbelt sign is on. 3 outstanding.
Jamaican
Flight
people
attendants
always
serve today. They're there
overlook.
primarily for your safety. Please follow all the directions. It is about 6 minutes from now. We'll need everybody in their seats, buckle up, and ready to go before we shut the front doors and be on our way.
No.
Welcome aboard. We'll be talking to you every morning.
Good production.
Guys, it's been a long day. We just picked up our bag from the baggage claim. I know we're in customs line so they can search our suitcase and see if we have anything to declare, which we don't. But every time we go to the aisle for don't declare, they still send us over here. So we're just over here now. Like what, 4 o'clock now? 4:12. I'm tired. I did all my sleeping on the plane and it coming like a flight can't done. But yeah, my face looks so sweaty and my hair is just, oh God. I don't know how I'm gonna manage, but I'll see you guys when I get out of the airport. Sitting here waiting on my ride. Got out like at 4:30 and it's almost like 6 o'clock now. Next time I'm traveling, I'm making sure I have my own people that come get me. I swear. Yeah, find somebody else. Jamaican people supposed to be waiting on us. We shouldn't have to wait on them. Honestly. My hair is like getting so. Guys, I don't know if riding to reach yet. And as soon as 7 o'clock now. I'm gonna come up from 4:30. And my hair is like ridiculous. I had to put it up because it's so poofy, but it looks alright still.